Well, my name is Enosoft, or you can call me Teacher Enoch. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Uneb timetable 2025. Now, currently, we have a draft of the Uneb timetable 2025 for those who are going to sit at the final UCE. Those are the senior 4 students, and then those who are going to sit the final UACE examinations, and those are the senior 6 students, the year of 2025. Well, my name is Teacher Enoch, and I do teach ICT. So if you want, if you have anything or inquiries or message or anything you'd like to share with me as far as ICT is concerned, then just direct message me on my WhatsApp number, which is 0706 974148. Don't call, just send a WhatsApp message and then I'll be in touch with you. So to easily download a timetable, I'm talking about a Uneb timetable. This is what you're going to do. Open up step 1. Go to Google. Yes, go to Google, and then look for or search for UG study resources. After reaching to UG study resources, in the search bar of that site, right hand side, if you're in senior 4, type in UCE timetable senior, or you can say, if you have used UCE, then just say UCE timetable, then you put a year 2025 or any year 2024. So if you're also in HSC, you can simply say UACE timetable 2025. Let me show it to you practically. I've said the first part is to go to Google and then search for UG study resources. Now here comes my Google here. I'm going to type in UG study resources like this, and then I click enter or I search. So I'm going to get this site here, this very site. Actually, it's very good for those who are looking for any past paper. This site, you click here. After clicking there, yeah, you're going to see a site loads like this. Those who wish to join our WhatsApp group, actually, if you see this notification, please, and you are a student or a teacher, please subscribe, because when you subscribe, you'll be getting notifications of the new you'll be getting notifications of all the new uploaded resources. I'm talking about the past papers in all subjects. I'm talking about the timetables, the enable news, and then anything related to studying in Uganda. So if you want, you can also join our WhatsApp here. This is the telephone number for those who need to talk to us on WhatsApp, or you can write to us on info@ugstudyresources.org. So when you reach at this site and you are looking for the timetable, come here and then type in UCE timetable 20, sorry, it's a typo here, timetable 2025. After, click here like this. So it will load the results. You can see UCE chemistry, no, senior 4, yes, senior 4, Uneb timetable 2025 draft. So just like I was open to you in the beginning, that we currently have a draft, but at times this draft actually change a slightly change. So 90% this might be the timetable that will be used. So let us wait. If they give out a final one, or they do make a change in the timetable, still we will notify you, or you will be notified. Just be in touch with UG study resources. So you click here on senior 4 Uneb timetable, or you click on read more. So let me click here like this. You can cross the ad then it will load. So you can see this even if you're on a phone, you will see it. So scroll down, and then you're going to see a button here, click here to download it. So you click here like this, you click here. When you click there, it is going to appear like this. You can see, scroll down. Yes, you scroll down, you keep on scrolling down. So here down, you're going to see this download option. This is the final button. So when you click here, you will be downloading the timetable. You can see if I'm on a computer, I click here. If you're on the phone, automatically it starts to download automatically. So like this. Now I've downloaded the draft timetable of UCE Uneb in my phone or on my computer. Simple as that. Then same applies to those who want to download mock examinations. You see they're asking where I should download. Okay, let me say in that downloads like this. Then I will say save. I'm saving. So for also those who are looking for mock papers, the Wakisha, the JIB, the UPISA, the HIS mock, do the same. Go to this site, and then remember to subscribe, and then search for, let us say looking for Wakisha, just put in Wakisha like this. You can also add on a subject, Wakisha, let us say biology, Wakisha biology, and then you search like this. So when you search, you're going to see the results, or any document rated or with the word Wakisha. You see senior for biology Wakisha mocks. Are you seeing that? Now still, if you don't want to search, you can use the tabs. You can use the tabs here. When you scroll down, you can see agriculture. If you want any paper or anything related to agriculture, talking about agriculture, click here. Biology, do the same. ICT is here, so just click on, let me say I'm looking for a paper talking about ICT. I'm going to click here like this. So when you click there, you will see all the papers talking about ICT senior 6, ICT paper 1, senior 5 ICT paper 1. You simply do the same. If you want to download any paper, you simply do the same. Let us say I want to download this paper. I'm going to click here like this, or I click on read more or ICT here. Okay, then when I click there, I'm going to see the paper down here. You can see even a sample. You can use this tab and then first go through the paper, the sample. If you find it useful and then you want to download it, scroll down, continue scrolling down. You're going to see that download button. Just click here. When you click on this, it will download automatically in your phone or on your computer. You can see people are already commenting on it. This one saying good, and then we are replying. Then this one says we need economics, physics and mathematics, both mocks paper and the marking guides. Just follow the same procedure, you'll get to those papers. Just look for anything. Just type in here economics, blah 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 blah. They will bring it. Now I've downloaded the timetables here. The timetable, you can see just like I was open to you, it is a draft timetable. So when you scroll down, you can see this is UCE, and then on Friday 10th, that is next month October. Today it's 10th September, so few days from now it will be a briefing of candidates on the elections and caution. That will be morning. Then on the 13th they will be doing the very first paper according to this draft, just in case things do not change. And then Uneb says okay, let's use this very first draft. Then they will be doing their first paper, which will be geography or And then after geography in the afternoon, they'll be doing a theory paper of biology. Then on Tuesday they will be doing physics, those who do art making. And then in the afternoon they will be doing art making, that is production. Then on Wednesday, mathematics, chemistry. On Thursday, you can see physics, practical. Then on Friday, or the last day of that first week, they will be doing chemistry, practical. Then the other second week, they will be doing language, that is English, and then also history and political education. And then on Tuesday, second week, they will be doing biology, practical. And then Wednesday, they will be doing physics, practical, that is paper 3. Then it also has the other days till till Friday 7th November, where those who do Arabic, reading comprehension and writing, they will be sitting for their final examination. So that is the drafted timetable currently available at UG Study Resources. Download it and then try to see how long will you be doing those papers. For those who are in senior 4, senior 6, if you want to get also a copy of a timetable, do the same. Go to Google, put in Google UG Study Resources like this, and then search. You're going to see this site. Click here. When you click there, what are you looking for? Click on the search, or you can scroll down and then choose the tag of timetables. If you don't use the tag, you can go and click here, then you put UACE timetable 20 UACE Uneb timetable 2025. After that, you click on this icon and you search for what you have typed in. Then scroll down. These are now the results you can see. So after reaching here, click here. When you click there, those who are in senior 6, scroll down. You're also going to see the writings about this. Note, this is a draft timetable. Uneb may adjust some dates before releasing the final version. Always keep checking back on UG Study Resources for updates. Okay, so you can get it directly here. Click on download. You click here like this. After clicking there, it will open. Scroll down. You can see also you can have a view or a sample view here. And if you want to download it, just continue scrolling down like this. Continue scrolling up to when you see the button of download, and then you click on download. It will download in your phone or computer. So that's how you can get our Uneb timetable. Allow me to wish you a good day. I remain a teacher Enoch, and I do teach ICT. So anything related to ICT, even if you want to learn computer from basic to advanced, I can also teach you how to develop apps, how to develop websites, how to develop software, and then I can also teach you the basic part of ICT. Those who want to learn Microsoft Word, those who want to learn presentation software, those who want to learn the Access, that is database, working with database, those who want to learn publisher designing. Publisher, you can learn publisher, or we can use Adobe. If not publisher, you can use Illustrator or Photoshop. But for better understanding of this, I always tell students to learn publisher first, and then before they upgrade to Illustrator or CorelDRAW or Photoshop. Then We have also web design, those in senior 4, website designing under syllabus, that's the new syllabus. So those are the applications 1, 2, 3, 4. One remaining, that is presentation, working with Microsoft presentation. There's a typo, sorry. Working with PowerPoint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So allow me to wish you a good night or a good day. I don't know at what time, at the time at which you're seeing this video, but all in all, let's just keep in touch. Subscribe on this YouTube channel for more videos. I sign out. Bye bye.